In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for genealogy and family history. 2026 guide. Before we dive into examples, let's set a clear baseline so the tool helps rather than misleads. Think of ChatGPT as your analytical assistant. It's great at unpacking records you already have, analyzing clues, translating foreign language entries, and brainstorming the next repository to search. What it must not do is invent missing relatives. That's why you should avoid prompts like, "Who was my great grandfather born in Ohio?" Without evidence, the model can fill gaps with plausible fiction. Instead, paste the exact text of records or your research notes directly into the chat so the analysis stays tied to real sources. Let's walk through 4 practical prompts you can use on screen. First, when you're stuck on a brick wall, try a strategy prompt such as act as a professional genealogist and regional historian. I'm researching an ancestor born about 1825 in Pennsylvania, who first appears in Ohio in the 1860 federal census. Build me a targeted step-by-step plan to identify biological parents and trace the specific migration path and list the local county record types to prioritize. This forces a regional roadmap and keeps your search methodical. Next, for census analysis, move beyond the index and feed in the household line by line. For example, analyze this 1880 household for genealogical clues, implied relationships, and migration pathways, then suggest follow-up record types. Head of household, age 42, farmer, born in Kentucky. Spouse, age 39, born in Tennessee. Daughter, 16, born in Ohio. Son, 14, born in Ohio. A 70-year-old boarder, retired, born in Virginia. ChatGPT can surface patterns like interstate moves, potential kinship of the border, and which county deeds, tax rolls, and church registers are most promising. For confusing old terminology, prompt the model to decode and contextualize terms such as cordwainer, spinster, consumption, and yeoman. Ask for historical definitions and what each might suggest about daily life, economic standing, or health risks, so you read records in the language of their time. When you're ready to write, have ChatGPT turn your verified bullet points into a readable narrative without embellishment. For instance, using the verified facts below, produce a warm, engaging family history snippet. Do not invent dialogue or events. Clearly separate verified facts from plausible context. Facts might include birth in 1848 in Georgia, teenage Civil War service, marriage in 1871, a commercial blacksmith shop in Alabama, 6 children, and death in 1912. A quick professional note, treat AI as an analytical assistant, not a primary source. Disclose its role with a simple footnote. For example, ChatGPT response to prompt regarding text of your prompt. GPT 4.0 model, OpenAI, May 2026. The tool reformatted raw transcription data. All underlying facts were independently verified against primary repository records. Finally, keep a simple workflow. Feed known timelines and locations to build a repository checklist. Paste raw text for line-by-line decoding and then verify paleography. Request local historical context for time and place and confirm with county histories. And draft narratives from verified data, removing any speculative filler. Shift from vague questions to evidence-based prompts, and ChatGPT becomes a fast, reliable partner for your family tree. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.